Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the visual scaffold. Put a screen GUI in Starter GUI and a main frame to hold your controls. Once done, add labeled text buttons for play, settings, and credits, and constrain sizes with UI aspect ratio constraint so layout stays consistent. Make a module script to centralize menu functions and add remote events for any server-side actions. Do this now because a clean structure prevents spaghetti code later. It also makes the scripting and testing steps straightforward and repeatable. You now wire interactions. Write a local script that listens to button. Activate it and calls functions in your menu module script. This keeps behavior modular. Use tween service to animate frames and buttons and add brief sound objects to signal clicks. Make sure UI list layout, UI padding, and scale math handle different screen sizes so the menu looks right on phones and widescreens. Once bound, test navigation flows. Opening settings should pause animations and return state correctly, and remote events should only finish by polishing visuals, hooking up save/load for preferences using data store or local player GUI state, and ensuring audio/graphics settings persist. Once done, profile the menu in Studio using the device emulator to confirm performance across resolutions and lower-end devices. Make sure transitions are short and that assets are preloaded to avoid stutters. If things go wrong, check the active property on GUI elements. Ensure input capture isn't blocked by invisible frames, and open the developer console to fix script errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.